What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investor Trader with Jack. So I'm going to take a look at Gala. Currently seeing at 0.01742. We're up 4% on the day. Market cap 798 million. 24-hour volume 102 million. So starting to see a little bit of push. If we could create 5 waves off the low, right now we got 1, 2, 3 waves up. First 5 waves up would be the first sign for the bulls. And if we can hold a pullback, and then if we can come up and break the bullish level of 0.019, then you can see a breakout up in that wave 3. But as of right now, we do have a nice little push. We got 3 waves off the low, but we need to see 5, otherwise it can just roll over and continue to correct. That's the first sign for the bulls. Hold the pullback, see continuation. If we break the bullish level, then we're good to go for continuation back to the upside. Of course, we have our double bottom pattern. We're just sitting above those daily EMAs, so the bulls want to hold above them, see that bullish cross. You can break that neckline, then you can see a push to 0.04561. If all of that fails, we just roll over and we start to break these lows. We break down from this pattern, and there's basically from this wedge, there's no bull market. Bitcoin goes into a bear from here, and Gala just goes down to the pits of hell. But we have to stay hopeful. Rate cuts is obviously a massive catalyst, which is coming up in just over a week. And if we get those rate cuts, then I'm very sure that the market will see the continuation back to the upside. That's what we're all waiting on. But to see a nice push for a lot of the alts just before rate cuts could be a signal that they will cut rates, but we'll have to see how that plays out. If you want completely free access to my trading group, take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to BITUNIX, no strings attached. This is one of the top exchanges. Once you've signed up, send me an email. That's all you have to do. I'll send you a link. My daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, my exact trade setups. We just finished our Ethereum trade for a juicy gain only on 2x leverage, and we have 3 other ongoing trades. And we have almost 3,000 members in the group. Yours free. All you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. Take 30 seconds of your time. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.